President, Academy of Sciences, Chennai, to deliver the welcome address.
Vanakkam, good evening to all of you. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all for this great event. The Academy of Sciences, Chennai is organizing. This is the first of its kind. We invite the members of the Professor Santhabas family, and we sincerely acknowledge the amount that they contributed to create this endowment lecture. As part of the initiatives of the Academy, we are going to have another 2 lectures in honor of Professor Devanathan and one more in honor of Professor Anandakrishnan, who are also here. I welcome each and every one of you for this function. In particular, I take great pleasure in welcoming today's speaker, Professor Ramasamy. He was the Padma Shri, he was the Padma Bhushan, and he also got the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. By the way, Professor Santapa also had got the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, and Dr. Ramasamy had been the former secretary of DST, and he was the Director General of CSIR, New Delhi. We have listened to Dr. Ramasamy on several occasions, but he will very specifically speak on pushing the path paved by Professor Ramasamy as the endowment lecture. I also would like to welcome the President of the Academy, Professor Maruthumuthu, who will chair this session, and we have another event after this program, which is to felicitate Professor Devanathan, who had been the pioneer and who led the way for this academy, and this will be also part of several other initiatives. And as I said, Professor Devanathan had been the backbone of the academy, and I welcome Professor Devanathan sir for this function as well as the function to felicitate him as well. I also welcome Professor Anandakrishnan, the former Vice Chancellor of Anna University and a great well-wisher of all of us. He was also the former President of the Academy of Sciences. So on behalf of the Academy, I take great pleasure in welcoming Professor Anandakrishnan. I also welcome the other colleagues of the Academy, Professor Ashokamani, Professor Narayanasamy, Professor Sedupati, Professor Niranjali Devraj, Professor Murugan, the Director of the campus of Madras University, Professor Ravichandran, Director of the Development, the Distance Education of Madras University. I also welcome the other members and the office bearers of the Academy, and I would like to place on record our sincere happiness and congratulations to those members who have been elected as fellows of this Academy. The Academy has done tremendous work in various forums. The flagship program was the summer training program, which was initiated by Professor Ashokamani and Professor Devanathan, and subsequently it is being carried out in other disciplines other than physics, as all of us know. And we also have an award function in order to felicitate or recognize young scientists. The Academy also has been carrying out various seminars in specific areas of advanced research, and very recently we had an excellent talk by one of the professors from IIT Chennai with respect to the Physics Nobel Prize of this year. It was a very outstanding talk, and we also hope to have another talk very soon on the Chemistry Nobel Prize for the year 2019. I welcome you all, and I have great pleasure in welcoming the speaker of today's endowment lecture, Professor Ramasamy, once again. And I welcome Professor Maruthumuthu sir for this introduction of the speaker. Thank you.
Every one of you here. Before I introduce Dr. Ramasamy, I would like to say some words on Professor Santapa. Professor Santapa holds 2 PhD degrees, one obtained in London, another one in Manchester University. One in physical chemistry, another in polymer chemistry. Because this is also part of physical chemistry. Then he came to India and joined as reader in physical chemistry department. After 4 or 5 years, then Vice Chancellor Mudaliar asked him to go to Madurai to start a Madras University Extension Center at Madurai. So he started that first department, Madurai University, at that time Madurai University. Then later on it is converted to Madurai Kamaraj University. After working there for 5 years, he came back to Madras, joined Physical Chemistry department as professor and head. From that onwards, he started research in various areas of physical chemistry: polymer chemistry, reaction kinetics, catalysis, photochemistry, compleximetry, everything. So by the way of doing research, he has produced almost 45 PhDs, published more than 450 papers. He was given Bhatnagar Award on the work done by him on grafting of polymers on other materials, which is very good. He worked as the director of Central Leather Institute, then moved to Venkateswara University as Vice Chancellor, then he came back to Madras University as Vice Chancellor. During this period as Vice Chancellor in Madras University, that was the period where we were celebrating 125th years celebration of Madras University. He started 4 new departments. One of them is Energy Department. And he had almost appointed all the professors, I am telling you, including Professor Tyagarajan, who was the Vice Chancellor of Madras University, and many people, myself, Professor Balakrishnan, many people, all are retired. But anyway, he only made the appointments with the board. There was no interference of the government. He has all the right to appoint people, committee, select on the basis of the merit. So with these few words, I would like to introduce Dr. T. Ramasamy. Ramasamy did his M.Tech in Madras University at Gindhi Engineering College, but in Madras, it was in Madras University. Then he did PhD in England. He came back, worked for some time at CRI. Then he became the director of Central Leather Research Institute. By his hard work, he got the Secretary of Department of Science and Technology. Then he moved to Director General of CSIR. See, one may wonder how this man is getting all these things. You see, some people are born great. Some people have greatness thrusted upon them. Some achieve greatness. He is the man who achieved the greatness. See, some people are, I have seen many, you may have also seen, some people are brilliant, but they are not hardworking. Some people are hardworking, but they are not brilliant. It's a unique combination of brilliant and hardworking is Dr. Ramasamy. That's what he has achieved. So there is no wonder he achieved all these things. But Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, he got everything. So I wish him all the luck. I now invite Dr. Ramasamy to speak about Prashanthapa. Thank you very much.